Hey, and welcome back to building a Bubble native app. The next step that we will do in order to translate my web app to a native app is to take the account page and design it in the Bubble native app builder. For that, we will look into how we built the design in the web version and try to imitate it as close as possible, but then also adjust it to the mobile looks and UI experience that we usually have. This next step was mainly due to my issue to not being able to see test data if I run the Bubble native app on the Bubble Go application in order to preview the app. And I wondered why. And before I go to the support or ask anyone else, I want to see if it's because I don't sign in as a proper user. So we're going to go ahead and build the account page. While building out the account page, I figured out that if you reload or if you preview the app in the browser and you want to reload the page, you don't get triggered by the black banner that's on top of the website that usually appears when you develop for the desktop. But no, you actually have to go into the browser and reload actively. You don't get prompted. So you think actually it's broken or it doesn't really reload automatically or is live. No, you just have to go and reload the page manually. So the first thing we did was adding another tab item to the tab bar at the bottom in order to change the size. And what we did then was adding a sheet. The sheet works so that you can show information that is not on the main site, but sort of show information that is usually shown by a pop-up, for example. I decided to take the different parts of my account page as the trigger points in order to show the detailed information in the relevant sheet. And this is how it looks. In order to show the sheet, I added a workflow to the tabs. And I can basically design the height of the sheet. In this case, I chose 100% in order to have as much space as possible to show all of the necessary information that I want to work in. As you see, the sheet opens very nicely on the mobile preview in the Bubble Go app. For some reason, it does not open up in the Bubble preview in the browser, and I wonder why. Also, something that I noticed was that the font, or let's say the text, was kind of off, and I wonder why that happens, because it shows nicely on the desktop, but it does not show perfectly right on the mobile version, and I wonder how to debug this. That's it for this short video. Next time we'll look into a bit more detail on how to build out all the different fields in the account page. It's such a big page that I'm surely going to run into some issues that I'm using in order to show you guys how to solve these problems and find solutions to developing with the Bubble native app builder.